Don't rush this season. Ayaw pagdating. Just enjoy the process. Enjoy the journey. Because during a season, dagang gitudlo si Lord. During a season, you will become more like Him. Gusto niya ma-establish nimo ang pakigrelasyon saya so that in the next season, na-bless ka ni Lord, kaya na nimo mo handle. Okay? So, ayaw, sige, kaya mo abot na tatanan sa next season. Go back to season 1. God is calling you aside to this season of silence, a season of deep meditation with the Word of God, and deep intimacy with God, and